Hi guys, we got the eufyMake E1 in today, and we're going to unbox it on Dualcraft Labs. We got the eufyMake E1 in today. We went ahead and took it out of the brown box that it came in, and directly in that we have the actually packaged box for the printer itself. Now, whenever we get this is about a 59-pound box, so you might need some help putting it on whatever stand you're going to put it on. Unboxing it is really easy. You just undo the two straps and you lift the top cover off. That's all there is to it. They make it really easy. It is well secured in here, so we don't have to worry about anything moving around. Like a lot of machines, there is some foam that it is set in, and there is a box that contains the large bed plate, as well as some instructions and the pad for the large plate, as we can see there. This is wrapped in some plastic. We can go ahead and take that plastic off. There are some cardboard pieces that are keeping it in there. So we take the cardboard out and we can take that plastic off. It is still sitting in that foam, so we need to remove it from the foam and get it out of the box. Once it's out of the box, we do have some instructions on the top. We have some tape that is holding the doors shut, both front and back. And inside we have the another box that has the small bed mat, as well as some additional pieces here that we're going to take a look at in just a second. The small bed is already attached. You can remove that if you want. It's entirely up to you. In the box, we have the transformer, the power cord, as we see here. These are somewhat short, so you may need an extension cord. We have the filter that we're going to install here in just a second. That's actually vacuum packed in there. We have an Allen wrench. I'm not really sure what that's for. They didn't really mention what that would be for. And we have a pair of safety goggles. These are the yellow tinted safety goggles, and that will help protect you from any of the UV light. We also have those 3 magnets that are in there. If you want to install the filter, you just take off the front cover, unpack the filter, and you can go ahead and put that in. Make sure it's in there fairly well, and then put the front cover back on. That just snaps out. We're going to give these a few taps to make sure that that's in there. Now that we have that in the top, we can go ahead and take out that foam block. That foam block keeps the tool head from moving around, and we can see in here directly down onto the small bed. There's the snapshot camera that whenever we have that. Once we get it all unboxed, we can go ahead and insert the inks into the top of the machine. Now, you want to make sure that they're insert really well. You'll notice that with the yellow one, it's a little bit harder, but you want to make sure that you get that green light, and anything that's not seated properly, you'll get that red light. The other thing you want to do is for the white and the gloss, you want to make sure that you shake them a little bit and make sure everything is seated. Once you get them all seated well, you will get the start button and you'll get the wonderful chime. That's it for the eufyMake. Hope you enjoyed this. This was a quick one.